हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग अँड इंग्लिश ग्रामर या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे. मागील भागामध्ये आपण आपल्या नियमित वापरातील 235 इंग्रजी क्रियापदं आणि त्यांचे मराठी अर्थ पाहिलेत. तर आजच्या भागात आपण बघणार आहोत क्रियापदांचे तीनही रूपे, म्हणजेच क्रियापदाचं वर्तमानकाळी रूप, भूतकाळी रूप आणि भूतकाळवाचक धातुसाधित रूप. क्रियापदांची तीनही रूपं आपल्याला माहिती असणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे, कारण विविध वाक्यरचनांमध्ये आपल्याला क्रियापदाचं पहिलं किंवा दुसरं किंवा तिसरं यापैकी योग्य रूप वापरावं लागतं. तर आज आपण एकूण 235 इंग्रजी क्रियापदांची तीनही रूपे अभ्यासणार आहोत.
Accept, accepted, accepted. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Act, acted, acted. Admire, admired, admired. Allow, allowed, allowed. Appoint, appointed, appointed. Avoid, avoided, avoided. Award, awarded, awarded. Belch, belched, belched. Believe, believed, believed. Bloom, bloomed, bloomed. Boast, boasted, boasted. Boil, boiled, boiled. Borrow, borrowed, borrowed. Bury, buried, buried. Carry, carried, carried. Carve, carved, carved. Chase, chased, chased. Complete, completed, completed. Cuff, cuffed, cuffed. Crawl, crawled, crawled. Dare, dared, dared. Deceive, deceived, deceived. Declare, declared, declared. Defeat, defeated, defeated. Demand, demanded, demanded. Deny, denied, denied. Depend, depended, depended. Die, died, died. Discuss, discussed, discussed. Drag, dragged, dragged. Earn, earned, earned. Encourage, encouraged, encouraged. Enter, entered, entered. Escape, escaped, escaped. Evoke, evoked, evoked. Exaggerate, exaggerated, exaggerated. Expect, expected, expected. Extinguish, extinguished, extinguished. Feel, filled, filled. Finish, finished, finished. Flatter, flattered, flattered. Float, floated, floated. Flow, flowed, flowed. Frighten, frightened, frightened. Found, founded, founded. Gather, gathered, gathered. Gnaw, gnawed, gnawed. Govern, governed, governed. Graze, grazed, grazed. Hang, hanged, hanged. Happen, happened, happened. Harm, harmed, harmed. Hate, hated, hated. Help, helped, helped. Hunt, hunted, hunted. Hurry, hurried, hurried. Imitate, imitated, imitated. Inform, informed, informed. Insist, insisted, insisted. Invite, invited, invited. Jeer, jeered, jeered. Jolt, jolted, jolted. Judge, judged, judged. Jump, jumped, jumped. Join, joined, joined. Justify, justified, justified. Kill, killed, killed. Kick, kicked, kicked. Knock, knocked, knocked. Labor, labored, labored. Last, lasted, lasted. Leak, leaked, leaked. Like, liked, liked. Lift, lifted, lifted. List, listed, listed. Live, lived, lived. March, marched, marched. marry, married, married, melt, melted, melted, mend, mended, mended, mold, molded, molded, move, moved, moved, narrate, narrated, narrated, neglect, neglected, neglected, notice, noticed, noticed, numb, numbed, numbed, obey, obeyed, obeyed, object, objected, objected, open, opened, opened, play, played, played, praise, praised, praised, predict, predicted, predicted, pretend, pretended, pretended, prevent, prevented, prevented, pronounce, pronounced, pronounced, protect, protected, protected, prove, proved, proved, pull, pulled, pulled, push, pushed, pushed, punish, punished, punished, quarrel, quarreled, quarreled, quieten, quietened, quietened, quip, quipped, quipped, quiver, quivered, quivered, recommend, recommended, recommended, receive, received, received, refuse, refused, refused, remain, remained, remained, remember, remembered, remembered, remind, reminded, reminded, roar, roared, roared, rob, robbed, robbed, rumor, rumored, rumored, sacrifice, sacrificed, sacrificed, save, saved, saved, scatter, scattered, scattered, scold, scolded, scolded, select, selected, selected, shout, shouted, shouted, snore, snored, snored, starve, starved, starved, stumble, stumbled, stumbled, swallow, swallowed, swallowed, talk, talked, talked, tease, teased, teased, thank, thanked, thanked, threaten, threatened, threatened, tie, tied, tied, treat, treated, treated, try, tried, tried, twang, twanked, twanked, unite, united, united, use, used, used, utter, uttered, uttered, vanish, vanished, vanished, verify, verified, verified, vex, vexed, vexed, vow, vowed, vowed, visit, visited, visited, wait, waited, waited, walk, walked, walked, weigh, weighed, weighed, welcome, welcomed, welcomed, yawn, yawned, yawned, ale, ailed, ailed, yield, yielded, yielded, bend, bent, bent, lend, lent, lent, send, sent, sent, spend, spent, spent, feel, felt, felt, kneel, nailed, nailed, spill, spilt, spilt, keep, kept, kept, sleep, slept, slept, sweep, swept, swept, live, left, left, meet, met, met, buy, bought, bought, bring, brought, brought, fight, fought, fought, seek, sought, sought, think, thought, thought, catch, caught, caught, teach, taught, taught, bind, bound, bound, find, found, found, grind, ground, ground, wind, wound, wound, sell, sold, sold. Tell, told, told. Lay, laid, laid. Pay, paid, paid. Say, said, said. Stick, stuck, stuck. Strike, struck, struck. Sting, stung, stung. Swing, swung, swung. Win, won, won. Lose, lost, lost. Bleed, bled, bled. Feed, fed, fed. Flee, fled, fled. Dig, dug, dug. Hang, hung, hung. Hold, held, held. Become, became, become. Come, came, come. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Run, ran, run. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Bear, bore, born. Blow, blew, blown. Grow, grew, grown. Know, knew, known. Throw, threw, thrown. Fly, flew, flown. Lie, lay, lain. Freeze, froze, frozen. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fail, fallen. Give, gave, given. Take, took, taken. Speak, spoke, spoken. Tear, tore, torn. Swear, swore, sworn. Wear, wore, worn. Write, wrote, written. Steal, stole, stolen. Bite, beat, beaten. Hide, hid, hidden. Ride, rode, ridden. Begin, began, begun. Sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Sing, sang, sung. Swim, swam, swum. See, saw, seen. Saw, sought, sawn. Show, showed, shown. Bet, bet, bet. Beat, beat, beat. Bust, bust, bust. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Neat, neat, neat. Late, late, late. Put, put, put. Quit, quit, quit. Read, read, read.
इंग्रजी भाषा व इंग्रजी व्याकरण कधी नव्हे इतक्या सोप्या भाषेत शिकण्यासाठी हा यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करून बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करा व आपल्या जवळच्या व्यक्तींनाही या सुवर्ण संधीचा फायदा घेऊन इंग्रजी शिकण्यासाठी प्रेरित करा.